As I said earlier, that elephant is supposed to be learning animal. Curry is a fast learner. He masters all signals and sounds he is taught. Means all the signals and sounds, the way of signal given by the narrator and the sounds in which he and the narrator both understood that what is the meaning of that signal and sound, well understood by this elephant. There is no lesson. There is one lesson, though that elephant takes 5 years to learn. There is no exception. एक जो तरीका, एक जो पार्ट है, एक जो चीज़ है जिसको सीखने में इसको 5 साल लग जाते हैं. एन एलिफेंट मस्ट बी टॉट व्हेन टू सिट डाउन, व्हेन टू वॉक, व्हेन टू गो फास्ट, व्हेन टू गो स्लो. You teach him these things as you teach a child. Students, you might have seen in circus, whenever you have visited the circus, you might have seen elephant just uh, that the ringmaster giving instructions to the elephant, and the elephant sometimes sitting, sometimes playing football, sometimes different kinds of activity. Don't you think that how it comes? It comes due to the training, and when it is given the training, it understands and learns quietly and in good manner. All the same, as children learn, they also, if you say dhat and pull him by the ear, he will gradually learn to sit down. Similarly, जैसे आप धत बोलेंगे तो आराम से वो क्या हो जाता था, बैठ जाता था, यानी कि सिग्नल को समझता था. इफ यू से माली एंड पुल हिज ट्रंक फॉरवर्ड, और माली बोल के उसको ट्रंक को खींचते हैं आगे की तरफ, ही विल ग्रेजुअली लर्न दैट इट इज़ द सिग्नल टू वॉक. वो समझ जाता था ये सिग्नल क्या है, चलने का सिग्नल मिला है. Kari learned Mali after 3 lessons, but it took him 3 weeks to learn that he was no good to sitting down. And do you know why an elephant should be taught to sit down? Because he grows taller and taller than you who take care of him, so that when he is 2 or 3 years old, you can only reach him back with the ladder. It is therefore better to teach him to sit down by saying that, so that you can climb upon his back and enjoy the riding. Here it has been said that 2 lessons, 2 tricks, one is Dhat and another is Mali. Here the narrator tells that both of them are important, but the most important is teaching the elephant that, because it is a lesson, it is a signal which shows that elephant has to sit down. And because it is very bigger in size in the comparison of human being, we need a ladder to climb on his back. So all the places you don't have to carry ladder, so you need to teach this lesson that, so the elephant easily will sit down and you can sit and ride the elephant and enjoy your riding. So it is better to teach this one. The most difficult thing to teach an elephant is the master call. Here very beautifully explained about the master call. It is the very most difficult call in which that elephant has to learn gradually, and it takes 5 years. And what is the quality of this master call is that when you are frightened, when you are in the problem, when you are in very bad circumstances and you need to help, when you make the master call, the elephant will understand that my master is there in problem. No matter how far the elephant is, no matter how difficult the way is, no matter it is day or night, it is a rainy or it is sunny day, no matter all the things, the elephant from that place started running by breaking all the trees which comes in the way of the elephant. If the animals are there in the forest, even the lions, tiger, all the animals, they are frightened because of the roaring of the elephant, because the elephant is supposed to be in very angry mood, and it understands that my master is there in problem. You can see them in the moon, light, and you can almost see the tanks running in all direction below. You can hear the growl of the tiger in the distance. Even the tiger, all the animals are supposed to be frightened when the elephant starts running. Even he is frightened. Then the elephant pulls down the next tree and the next and the next. Soon you will find that he has made a road right through the jungle straight to your house. You know how difficult and important a skill is that is taught to the elephant. No matter there is no way to come, but elephant makes its own way, its own pave. It needs not to give and makes a new road and things. We will discuss the next video.